Hey Nelly Addicts, welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I got in the mail something that I have been trying to get since she first launched it. This is Krista from C's Tutorials here on YouTube. She is a fellow nail content creator. And the first time she came out with this product, I missed it. It was sold out. She did thankfully bring it back again, and this time I did not miss out. I immediately went on her website and supported her channel. I support her product, and I purchased this. It was only $35.99 plus $6.99 for shipping. She was running a discount code that gave you 10% off. So my total price was $39.38. So I purchased this on April 17th, and today is April 22nd, and it came in the mail, so it didn't take no time at all for shipping. It looks like it shipped from South Florida. As you know, I'm in North Florida, so that actually was really good shipping time. So when I pulled it out, the packaging was so cute. It was perfect. I love the way the box opened up. I love the way everything looked as far as the color and the quality of it. Yes, some of the products, as you seen earlier, was jostled a bit during the shipment, but nothing was damaged. Everything was intact. It just got moved around a little bit. You know, the little nail primer and stuff was out of place. That's not an issue. The quality of the product was absolutely superb. These nail tips, y'all, they are strong. They are high quality. I could not bend them. They come with a good apex, and they fitted perfectly to my nails. I did not need to adjust these at all. Every size that I picked out fit my fingers perfectly. So all I needed to do was prep them, and by that I just etched them out a little bit in the inside and got ready to prepare to do the Gel X method. So her kit comes with the primer, a dehydrator, a tip glue, and a top glaze or top coat. And it comes with this little light. I was showing y'all there, one of the little nails, the little screws fell out, but that's easily fixed. I was able to put that back in. But the also comes with a nail file. So the tips, they're strong. Like I said, I couldn't bend them. You can see they're pretty good thick quality. I like the size of them. I like the shape, and I like the length. Unfortunately, because of where I work, I won't be able to keep this same length size, so I will be cutting them down some. Although I didn't see any instructions with the box, she does offer a video on her YouTube page that shows you exactly what the kit comes with and how to apply your tips. If you're a Gel X user or a full cover nail tip user, the process works just the same. She gives you everything that you need to get started. And really, I would compare this to my Kiara Sky setup kit, which was $99. It came with the exact same things as C's. And like I said, her price was only $39.99. And that was after shipping and handling. So for me to get the same high quality materials like what I got with my Kiara Sky, which I paid $99 for, I was really impressed by this because I am a beginner nail person, and yes, I want to look and buy quality products, And as a beginner, you're not really sure if you should go for the more expensive stuff. Should you start off small and do maybe like, like Amazon stuff? You just don't know. But for this product, I have absolutely no complaints. Y'all are not going to hear any cons about this product because I have tried expensive products and I've tried less expensive products. And C's product right here, it is just as good as, like I said, a Kiara Sky Gel X dupe. Although it doesn't say anywhere on the website or on the ingredients that it's HEMA free, I did not smell any harsh smells or any harsh chemicals coming from any of the products. So I proceeded with going with the dehydrator first and the primer second. And I also used the primer on the inside of my tips like she did on her video. Next, I went with the tip glue. And this was a thick viscosity, but it was very clear and it was just the right of thickness that you would need to adhere your nail tips properly. Now I did experience some yellowing while they were underneath the light, but that quickly went away after the nail cooled down. When I had my finger in the lamp, I didn't experience any burning sensation or that ring of fire that sometimes you feel when you're using gel. None of that happened when I was using her products. I liked her little lamp that she included in her kit. You can touch it with the bottom of your finger while you have your finger in the lamp. You can just use your finger pad and just press the little button, or you can press it before you turn the lamp on, before you put your finger in to cure your product. I also noticed that it was a 60-second. It lasted for 60 seconds. So you have plenty of time to flash cure and get your nail lined up properly before you put it in for the full cure. You can see my pinky, I did not do so well. It was kind of crooked, but as I went on with the other fingers, I had no trouble at all with putting my finger in the lamp and getting it straight before it cured. So for the next couple of minutes or so, I'm just going to show y'all how I went through and put on the rest of my tips and how I got them prepped for not really nail art, but just got them prepped to do some gel polish. I wanted to try to do a design on these nails, and at the same time I wanted to try the product out. This video really wasn't so much about nail art or doing any type of designs on top of the nails. I really just wanted to feature her product because it was so good. I mean, I could have just did like a little small intro, but after I finished applying these tips, I felt like I needed just a whole video to really show a spotlight on her product and how good it is. And I'm really happy with my purchase. So between these tips and setup, Gel X dupe, and my Tipex, I know I'm going to be going back and forth between these two products. I can't decide which one is a favorite, and because I do nail content, I really don't have to decide. I enjoyed using both of those products, so you're going to be seeing these tips and this system that she has featured on my channel, along with my other favorite tips, which is the Tipex, because I think both of these made my nails look really good. And like I said, I am extremely happy with my purchase. On C's video, she says that she went with the long stiletto because you can cut it down and shape it into just about any shape that you want, which is true. I went from the long stiletto to I would say this was a medium to short square. That was more appropriate for what I got going on this week, and it was more easier for me to work with it. I've seen her shape these tips into almond. I've seen her do a coffin, and I also seen her keep them at the long stiletto. And recently she said she is working on coming out with another style and length of tips, and I can't wait because you better believe I'm going to be purchasing them. So like I said earlier, I wanted to keep this just real simple and just do a simple gel polish on top. I have this IGel Beauty polish that is a temp changer and a cat eye magnetic, and I never used it before, and it was probably because of the color. I really couldn't think of what color went with this or what type of nail art I could put on top of it. Like, as a content creator, you're always trying to think of something creative and try to expand on something. And sometimes it's okay just to have stuff just plain how it is. And because this polish is a temp changer and a magnetic, it really didn't need nothing extra. I mean, I'm sure somebody else can see this and be like, oh, I would have put this design or that design on it, and that's fine, do you. But at the time, I couldn't think of nothing to go with this. So I say, you know what, it has enough features by itself. I'm just going to leave it plain. And actually, I really like it the way it is. Oh, and one more thing about the little lamp that's included in her kit. It doesn't come with the block that you need to to plug into your wall. You have to have your own block adapter. And also the cord is kind of short. And I don't have the desk where you can just plug it right into like a USB port. So I just wanted to let y'all know that but it did come in handy, because as I was doing my cat eye magnet, as you can see, with it being right there next to me, I was able to flash cure my finger right into the little lamp and make sure that my cat eye stayed in place. Okay, so for the last step, it is her top coat, and the viscosity is like a medium to thin viscosity, and it is super smooth. It wasn't runny, and it is glossy. It made my nails shine. I really enjoyed using this top coat. The brush was like a paddle, a rounded paddle shape, so it fanned out really good when you applied it to your nails. You can also just use this with any of your other gel polishes. I think I'm going to be using this just by itself, the top coat just by itself, on some other stuff, because I really enjoyed it. So after my nails were painted, I put on my cuticle oil from OCD Beauty, rub that in. It has really been nourishing my cuticles and making my nails grow expeditiously, and I really like the way these nails turned out. You can see just from looking at the different fingers, the color temp. It goes from dark when it's cold, and then when it gets hot or warm, it's a lighter color. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks underneath some water. I'm gonna do some cold and hot water to let y'all see the temp change. So this, at first the water started off cold, So I just left my fingers running under the water, left the water running on my fingers for a little bit, and you can see just how dark the polish got. And then as the water heated up, you can start seeing that the polish will start turning a light, not a pink color, but more like a rosy pink color. Alright, Nelly addicts, this is the final look. Like I said, if you guys have not already went out and got Glazed by C, you guys should definitely give this product a try. 10 out of 10. That's my recommendation. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See y'all on the next one. Bye.